Hey, have you heard about the new bridge construction project? It's an ambitious undertaking, and they're putting a lot of emphasis on the welding joint efficiency.
Welding joint efficiency? That's a term I'm not too familiar with. What exactly does it mean?
Well, welding joint efficiency is a measure of how much strength the welded joint can retain compared to the base metal. It's crucial in determining the overall strength and reliability of the welded structure.
Ah, I see. So, it's about ensuring the welded joints are as strong as possible, right?
The higher the welding joint efficiency, the more load-bearing capacity the joint will have. This is especially important for bridges and other critical infrastructure projects.
That makes sense. I can imagine that even a small decrease in joint efficiency could have serious consequences in such structures.
Yes, that's why the welders on this project are being trained extensively on techniques to maximize joint efficiency. Things like proper joint preparation, choosing the right welding process, and controlling heat input can make a big difference.
It sounds like a lot of factors come into play. I'm curious, what's considered a good target for welding joint efficiency on a project like this?
Well, for highly critical applications like bridges, the industry standard is to aim for a joint efficiency of at least 90%. Some welding codes require the welding joints to be 100% radiograph to be considered of 100% efficiency.